Here we have a tubeless tire that has sat all winter long and has completely lost all the air. You can't just fill up a tubeless tire a lot of times by hooking a compressor to it, because it'll leak out all around the edge. So your only choice at that point is to take it to a tire shop, right? So that they can mount it and seal it on there. Well, here's a little trick for you. Using a ratchet strap, put that ratchet strap around and tighten it down. And that will bring the sides equally around this, and it'll compress it together enough that you can then hook an air compressor to it, enough to get it started. And then when you take that off of there, it's sealed up and ready to go. Easy fix.